Ever wondered why our knuckles crack?
Quick pause. If you're into busting health myths, hit that like and subscribe, and keep your facts fresh with MythVitals.
That popping sound isn't your bones rubbing together. It's actually gas. Inside your joints is a fluid that helps them move smoothly. When you stretch or pull your fingers, you create space in the joint, and gas bubbles quickly form and collapse. That sudden change in pressure is what makes the cracking noise. It doesn't cause arthritis like people say, but doing it too often might irritate the joint over time. So yeah, that satisfying pop, it's just science in action.